Hello and welcome to this lecture where we will be installing Python step by step. There are many ways to run Python. Later on, we'll explore the difference between running .p file or running Python code in notebook environment. Either way, we will still want to install Python. For this lecture, we'll be installing Anaconda distribution for Python. Anaconda installs Python and an easy-to-use development environment and Navigator launch tool. Briefly run Jupyter Notebook and explore no install online option. Quick note: there are now many online no install Python environments that can run on the browser as long as you have internet connection. While not officially part of this course, we will give you a brief tour of this online no install option at the end. Those are examples of the free no install option. We have jupyter.org/try, Google Colab Online Notebook, REPL.it, and Google Search. We can make Python interpreter online. Now for this course, we will be installing Python as we mentioned using the free individual Anaconda distribution. This distribution includes Python as well as many other useful libraries, including Jupyter Notebook environment. Anaconda can also easily be installed on any major OS, Windows, macOS, or Linux. We need just to go to this website, www.anaconda.com/download. And here we open the Anaconda page. Now I'm going to walk you through the process of installing Python with Anaconda, and we'll finish by launching a Jupyter Notebook, wherever you are complete beginner or just you need a refresher. This guide will get you up and running in no time, so let's dive in. Let's start by a small introduction to Anaconda. First, let's talk about why we are using Anaconda. Anaconda is a distribution of Python and R that simplify package management and development. It's great for data science, machine learning, and scientific computer, making it super easy to install all the libraries you need on the go. Plus, it includes Jupyter Notebook, which we will be using later. Alright, to get started, we need to download Anaconda. So we open our web browser and we head up to the official website of Anaconda at anaconda.com. Once we are here, we click this download button after inserting our email ID. So I will put my email ID and then I will agree on the terms and then I will make submit. Then we find here the page that contains for each operating system. So we click on the download button here and the download process has started. Once the download is completed, we will find the installer, or we can click only on the file that has been downloaded. And here is the installer of Anaconda. So we'll make next, and then we'll agree to the contract. We can make just for me. Here is the path where Anaconda will be installed. Make next. It gave me this message because I already have Anaconda installed. So I will make a small trick, and then we'll create a shortcut. Click install and let it run. This may take a few time. Be patient. After the process of installation has finished, we will search for Anaconda Navigator. After that, we'll open our Anaconda Navigator and we'll see an option for Jupyter Notebook. And you can just click launch. Now this is the main Jupyter Notebook interface. To create a new notebook, we'll create new by file, new notebook, and then we'll choose the Python 3 as the kernel. Then this is our IDE, or our line-to-line coding interface. Let's write a simple line of Python code to test everything. Type print hello world. Then we make shift enter. And we can see here that it prints to us hello world, which means that our Python is already installed. And that's it. We have successfully installed Python with Anaconda. We have launched Jupyter Notebook and written our first line of code.